Hey guys, Nathan Love here. I wanted to make a quick video to share some of the stuff that we're doing over this coronavirus period. Myself and a colleague, Jason Graves, are working on starting our own business doing some of this stuff. We're working on the website, getting it up right now for people to be able to contact us and see our work, but I felt like this was really important and we didn't want to wait to be able to show people some of the stuff that we can do given the current situation of things. So some of our specialty is delivering training in very technical areas, environments, areas that may not be safe or just are very difficult to do. And one of the ways that we do that is to use a device like this. Particularly, this is a GoPro. So what we use it for is to capture first-person perspective. So if it's really difficult to see where something's going on, or in this situation with social distancing, if people can't be within 6 feet of each other, but you need to show something that's going on and it's particularly small or hard to see, this is a great tool to be able to illustrate some of those things. So what we do is typically we'll record video with these things and then use it as training tools later. But in this instance, we do live streaming. So GoPro has an awesome app, and you can actually live stream from these devices to other places, things like YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook Live. So what we typically suggest in this instance is Vimeo. You can lock it down to who sees it. It's very easy to set up and do with Vimeo and with GoPro together. So you can live stream it from this to any type of web-based device. So phones, tablets, computers, whatever you guys have lying around. So I don't want to talk about cost of this stuff too. So GoPros, to have this feature, you need a GoPro 7 Black, 8 Black, or a GoPro Max, which this is the Max, and I'm recording this on a GoPro 7. So any of those devices work really great. There has to be one of those because of the live streaming is option on these with the app. The GoPro 6 and older, or the GoPro Silver, 7 Silver or less, does not have that option. So, and for cost of those, I mean, a GoPro 7 or 8, prices just dropped on these to about $300. The GoPro Max is about $500, but it'll also do 360 capturing. So that's a pretty cool thing about this too, is it's not great for first person perspective, but if you're doing like a selfie stick or something like that, boom, camera on this side, camera on this side. The awesome feature about this too is that I can actually, if I go to set this up on somebody, I want to see the screen's on the front where all the other GoPros, the screen is on the back. So you can kind of flip it around here to see that. I'm going to leave it off for now. But it's a really great tool. So the Max I said is about 500. The other two are about 300. And the streaming service through Vimeo costs about $75 a month. They do have a free trial that you can try on that too to see if you even like it or if it even works for you. But so total cost, this head strap is something that you'll need to if you're wanting to see first person perspective. And that's one of the really cool features that GoPro has to be able to do with this stuff. There are other devices out there that work like GoPros, other action cameras that are a lot cheaper, but they don't have the mobile application and the capabilities that the GoPro do with that. Also, we have used the iView Rincons, which is a wearable sunglasses or like safety glasses that goes over and it's got a camera right here in the middle. They have worked well. We think the quality of the streaming is better on the GoPros because of image stabilization. So the 7, 8, and the Max all have image stabilization brought in. The Rincons don't. The application, Rincons also have the application. You can't live stream through it, but if you're doing one-on-one training, it's still a great tool because you don't need to be able to live stream. You can just record the video or just turn it on and it shows a live preview. You can do that with GoPro as well. So if you're just doing one-on-one training and you need one other person to see, you don't need the Vimeo. You can just live stream it to whatever you have the application on, phone, tablet. I haven't done it on their desktop application, but I bet you probably could on that as well. So pretty cool stuff. Really, really great tool for the situation and just the world is in with right now with coronavirus and social distancing. That that we can still accomplish a lot training wise, given these difficult stipulations. So if you want to guys, if anybody wants to talk about it more, feel free to comment or reach out to me. I'm happy to share anything that we're doing. I'm happy to show you exactly what we're using too. So if there's anything I can do to help you all, and these tools seem like they would be good application for you, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.